Hey everybody, this is Dorothy the Organizer, and I have Bob Hammer, digital guru, with me again today. Hey Bob.
Hi Dorothy, how you doing today?
I'm good. We are on day 4 of our digital organizing challenge, and today we're in the car. Well, I'm in the car. Where are you?
Well, I'm where I always am. I'm a digital guy. I can do mostly everything in my life from my desktop.
You know, I could be envious. My client said, okay, Dorothy, you can go out, use my car. And the thing that she particularly is looking for is the paperwork for a new battery for her car. And whether it's raining, whether it's sunny, windy, whatever kind of weather is happening, we have to go out to the car to get her stuff. Now, she keeps everything that she has ever done on her car in her car. So I'll just show you this. It's got, you know, like we have to get in there and oh my gosh, I will hand it to her that on top of all the eyeglasses and everything else, she's got it pretty organized. But to go back last year to find the right one takes quite a bit of time. So this is how my client likes to find her stuff and her auto repair stuff. Tell me, there's got to be a way that you do it digitally.
Well, I actually do something a little similar to that, only of course I do it in the cloud. In my Digital Life Cloud, cloud-based software, I have something sort of similar. See, I've got an autos file cabinet here.
There you are in your car, yes.
Yeah, I'm now in my car. And we want to go to my car, right?
Yes.
And I have here a complete pedigree for every car I've owned since, as you can see, 2003. And I'm going to go to my first electric car, which I loved dearly.
Okay.
And okay, I just opened the glove compartment, right? And look what's in it, everything.
Here's what I love about you. I love the way you teach. You just make it so simple. Thank you. Okay, you opened
Now,
your glove compartment,
yeah,
i.e. the file.
and
yes.
I mean, we have everything. In fact, notice there's page 1 or 2, so there's even more stuff here. But I just do it like she does, only I will take the piece of paper, I'll scan it in, and I'll throw it in my virtual glove compartment.
Okay.
I have a great story to tell you, and this is an honest, true story. Several years ago, we returned a leased vehicle, and about 9 months later, we get a letter, a call from the leasing company that we've never returned the vehicle. They're looking for it. They're all upset.
Oh my gosh, you're serious.
I'm serious, true story. And so we went to now of course the car is gone, so I don't have the glove compartment anymore, but I certainly have this. And I want to show you this. It wasn't this car, it was several years ago, but same thing would happen on this particular one is, see, lease return confirmation. We printed this out, we faxed it to the leasing company. As it turned out, the dealer had lost the car. I was in some parking lot somewhere with new cars, and it took them a long time to find it. But the bottom line is, Dorothy, it was really easy for me to solve my problem. And that's just one of hundreds of stories I have.
Well, you know, you are remarkable, A, that you have this stuff so organized in the cloud, and B, that you have all these stories to go along with it. I mean, most people do have these stories, but they're like far worse, with worse kinds of outcomes because they can't find the paperwork. Right. So I congratulate you. And, you know, before we leave, I do want to let everybody know that you are using a specific kind of digital tool. So do you mind just telling us where everybody can go to get the tool to do this kind of organizing digitally?
Sure. If you're interested in Digital Life Cloud, you can go to www.digitallifecloud.com.
Great. Otherwise, continue using the cloud service that you have and just implement some of these ideas that Bob is giving to us. And Bob, I just want to give one quick tip to everybody when it comes to organizing your car. I'd like for you to put into your calendar, whether it's a digital calendar or a paper calendar, at least once a year, you want to be able to go through your entire car and review things that are in the glove compartment, in the trunk, under the seats, just like you would clean it to detail it when you're at a car wash. Do the same thing with all the parts and containers and places that open and close inside the car so that you can keep your car organized. So good luck, everybody. Bob, thanks again for being here today.
You're welcome.
And tomorrow we are going to talk about animals, pets.